Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and safe at home. So let's start the lesson. Class 1, slot 5. Subjects are Social Studies, Science and English. Social Studies, lesson number 4, City and Village. Reading book page number 16 to 17. Workbook page number 16 to 17. Lesson number 4, City and Village. Reading book page number 16. City. Students, city are the big area of land and it is the modern than village. Village are the small area of land and here the people live the simple life. Okay. Now start the reading. Cities are very big. There are tall buildings, brick houses, factories, wide roads, big shopping malls, and hospitals and universities. People living in cities are mostly doing their own business or they are public, private servants. City life is very busy. Book page number 17. Villages are small. They are far away from cities. There are green fields and trees, mud houses, animals and tube wells. The air is fresh in villages because there are lots of green fields and trees. People living in villages are mostly farmers. They also raise animals for egg, milk and meat. City and Village Workbook, page number 16. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer according to the content of lesson. Line number 1 is where can we find factories? जी factories कहाँ पे मिलती हैं? Student, you can see the three options below the sentence. One is right and the twos are wrong. So we tick the right option. In cities we find factories. So we tick the in cities. Sentence number 2 is villages are dash. The right answer is small. Villages are small. Question number 2. Complete the remaining part of each sentence. Tall buildings are in जी tall buildings कहाँ पर होती हैं जी cities में. Tall buildings are in cities. Here we have to complete the sentence. So we write here the cities. Number 2. Mud houses are in villages. कच्चे घर villages में होते हैं, गाँव में होते हैं जी. Line number 3. Wide roads are in cities. People living in villages are mostly farmers. Workbook, page number 17, question answers. Question number 1 is where is life very busy? Yes, definitely in cities. In cities life is very busy. So we write here in cities. Question number 2 is why is air fresh in village? Because there are lots of fields and trees. We write here because there are lots of fields and trees. My interpretation, student, here you can see the two different pictures. One picture is show the atmosphere of village and the other one is city. So Mahad lives in a city. He uses electric lamp to do his homework at night. He gets water from a tap. Mahad live in cities. So he use water from a tap. His father has a car. Now the second picture show the life of village. Wali lives in a village. He uses oil lamp to do his homework at night. He gets water from a hand pump. His father has a bull cart. Science unit number 4 and the title of the lesson is plants. Reading book page number 29 to 33. Workbook page number 25, 28 and 29. Students, as you know, we have already read some earlier pages of this lesson in our previous slot. So here we will start from page number 29. Yes, parts of plant. Plants have different parts like fruit, leaf, stem and roots. This is a tomato plant. Sorry. And the second one picture is, here you can see the flower, fruit, branch, roots, leaves and trunk. Page number 31. Leaves. Leaves grow on plants. Plants store their foods in leaves, stems and roots. Leaves are usually green and have many different shapes. There are big leaves and small leaves, long leaves and short leaves. Some leaves have straight edges and others have spiky or curved edges. Student, here you can see the different types of leaves. The first leaf is coconut palm, eucalyptus, banana, mango, papaya, pine, neem and peepal. Page number 32. Flowers. Flowers grow on trees, bushes and other kinds of plants. Some plants have many flowers, others have a few. Flowers grow from birds. Flowers make a garden look beautiful. There are flowers of many different colors, shapes and sizes. The first flower is hibiscus. The second one is poppy, sunflower, marigold, and the last one is lily. Some flowers have many petals, others only have a few. Some petals are small and others are large. Fruits and vegetables. Many plants grow fruits. Fruits grow from flowers. There are many different kinds of fruit and vegetables. Here, reading book, page number 33. Some vegetables are the leaves of stems of plants like spinach. Students, you know, हम spinach पालक जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग खाते हैं, ये leaves हैं. ये vegetable जो है ये leaves shape में होती है और हम इसको खाते हैं. जी. The second one is some vegetables grow on branches and stems like tomato and green beans. Some vegetables are roots, they grow underground. Carrot and radish. Workbook, page number 25, question number 2. Go for a leaves hunt and see if you find the following leaves. Use word bank and fill in the missing letter to name the following leaves. Student, here you can see the word bank. So we write the correct name according the picture. So the first one leaf is a mango leaf. So we write here mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. The second one is banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. And the third one is coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. And the second line, the first one is papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. People, P-E-E-P-A-L, people. Eucalyptus, Eucalyptus. Question number 3. Solve the riddle and draw the fruit. Student, here is the riddle. आप लोग guess करेंगे कि ये क्या है, कौन सा fruit है. I am red in color. I have hundreds of seeds in me. Yes, it is pomegranate. So we draw the pomegranate here and color in it. Page number 28. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do plants give us? And the answer is plants give us fruits, vegetables and shades. Question number 2 is what does a plant need to grow well? Good soil, air, sunlight and water. Question number 3 is how is stem different from roots? Complete the sentences with appropriate words. Yes. The first one, root. Root is present under the ground. Student, as you know that root is found under the ground. So we write here the root. Root ज़मीन के अंदर होती है. The second one is stem. Stem is present above the soil surface. Number 3, root takes water from the soil. Root मट्टी से पानी अपने लिए वो हासिल करती है. Last one is stem. Stem has leaves on it. Workbook, page number 29. Why are plants living things? Because plants can grow and feed. Question number 5. Write the names of vegetables that are roots, stem or leaves and which grow on branches and stem of plants. Roots. First of all, we write here the names of some root like potato, carrot and turnip. The second one is stem. Spinach, cauliflower, cabbage. Third one is grow on branches and stems. Tomato, eggplants and peas. Question number 6 is what am I? Student, here is the riddle. So we guess what is the right answer. I am round, I am brown, I grow under the ground. Yes, it is potato. I am a pod, I have small round green seeds that are soft and sweet. Yes, it is peas. I am red in color, my shape is like a cone, I am crunchy and sweet. What is it? Yes, it is carrot. I have thick green leaves around my white head. My head looks like a flower. Yes, it is radish. English, unit number 2, red car, reading book, page number 27 and 28, workbook, page number 17 to 20, 37 to 41, 43 to 48, 65, 66, 75 and 76. Reading book, page number 27 and the title of the session is Red Car. Starter. Student, here you can see the process that how to make a toy car. According this process, you can make a toy car. The next page. Read the story. Reading book, page number 28. Yes. Toyo is a red toy car. It has 4 shiny wheels and a loud horn. It has 2 big lights. Toyo is in a shop window. It has no one to play with. Hadi is a little boy. Student, here you can see the Hadi, this picture. Hadi is a little boy. He sees Toyo in the shop window. Hadi looks at Toyo. Toyo looks at Hadi. Hadi thinks, what a beautiful car. Toyo thinks, what a handsome boy. It is Hadi's birthday. His mother says, happy birthday, Hadi. She says, here's your present. Hadi says, thank you, mother. He opens the package. Toyo, the shiny car, jumps out of the package. It says, "Hello Hadi, let's be friends." Hadi says, "Wow, a talking car, what a fun." Book, page number 17, unit number 2, red car. My word wall. Prepare your own words wall of the difficult words of the lesson and learn them. So right here the first word shiny, shiny, shiny. The second one is handsome, hand, hand, some, handsome. Wheels, wheels, wheels. The next one is window, window. The third one is birthday, birthday, birthday. Beautiful, beautiful. And last one is package, package, package. Think. Write the words with 3 letters. Student, here we write the words that has 3 letters. So the first one we can write here boy, 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 car and tree. Make sentences using 2 words of your word wall. स्टूडेंट हम यहाँ पे कोई से भी सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. हमने ऊपर वर्ड वॉल में से 2 words लेने हैं और हमने 2 lines यहाँ पर राइट करनी है. सो फर्स्ट लाइन इज माई कार हैज 4 wheels. टुडे इज माई बर्थडे. Unit number 2, red car, workbook, page number 18. Hadi went to the toy shop and looked at the toys. Student, here you can see the different toys and different prices of the toys. So the car price is 20 rupees, racing car price is 50 rupees, bus 70 rupees, train 100 rupees and police car 60 rupees. Answer the following questions. Which toy was the most expensive? एक्सपेंसिव मीन महंगा. सबसे महंगा जो टॉय है इसके अंदर वो कौन सा है? यस, इट इज ट्रेन बिकॉज इट्स प्राइस इज 100 रुपीज. सो वी राइट हियर द ट्रेन. विच टॉय वाज द चीपेस्ट? चीपेस्ट मीन्स सस्ता. जी, सबसे सस्ता टॉय इसमें कौन सा है? जी, कार, बिकॉज इट हैज its price is 20 rupees. Which 2 toys could he buy if he had 80 rupees? जी, police car and car. How many racing car could he buy if he had rupees 100? 2. Which 2 toys could he buy if he had rupees 150? Yes, train and racing car. Page number 19. Match the words with exact pictures. Student, here you can see the different words and the different pictures. So we match the word with the relevant picture. First one is horn, and here you can see the horn. So we match the word with horn. Present. Yes, we match the present word with the present. Package, wheels and window. Page number 20. Complete the following words. The first word is Toyo. Here you can see the missing letters, so we complete the words with the letters. So first one we write Y, Toyo, and the second one is loud, so we write here the D. Third one wheels, so we write here E. Handsome, S. Present, P. In the second line, window, we write here W. Shiny, we write here I. Horn, O. Birthday, H. Package, A. Make sentences, wheels. Student, here you can write the sentences of these words. So the first word is wheels. So my car has 4 wheels. Window, open the window. Present, I have present for you. Workbook, page number 37, verbs. And the definition of verb is a word that shows action. Student, verb वो अल्फाज होते हैं जिनके अंदर कोई काम हो रहा हो, ठीक है, उसको verb बोला जाता है. A verb is a word that shows action. Circle the verbs in the sentences below. My cat is chasing the mouse. Here you can see the cat and the mouse. Cat want to catch the mouse. बिल्ली चूहे के पीछे भाग रही है, उसको पीछा कर रही है पकड़ने के लिए, तो इसमें काम हो रहा है, इसलिए ये verb है. So we'll underline the word chasing. And the second one, we are eating pizza for lunch. Eating is the verb, so we circle the verb here. I am jumping on my bed. Jumping, this is the verb. Rida is making ice cream. As you know, Rida and ice cream is a noun and the making is a verb. So we underline the verb making. She is sitting in the sun. Sitting is the verb. They are playing the game. Playing is a verb. He is throwing a ball. Throwing is a फेंकना. Throwing means फेंकना, or this is a verb. Ship is sailing on the sea. Sailing is a verb. Sana is sleeping on the sofa. Sleeping is a verb. Workbook, page number 38. Write sentences about the pictures. Use verbs in your sentences. Underline your verbs. Here you can see the different pictures. So we explain the pictures. The first one is he is running. The second one is Ali. Ali is reading. Third one, Abid is thinking. Raza is cooking. They are playing. Tipu and Umar are washing car. Workbook, page number 39. What am I? We hear different sounds from animals. Can you name the animals and match the sound they make? Student, here you can see the different animals, and the other hand you can see the sounds of different animals. We match the animals with the correct sound. Yes, the first one is sparrow, and sparrow sound is chip. Duck, quack. Snake, hiss. Donkey, bray. Write noun from the above pictures: sparrow, duck, snake, and donkey. Pair nouns and verb together: sparrow, chip, duck, quack, snake, hiss, donkey, bray. Write two sentences using nouns and verb written above. The sparrow is chirping. Here, the chirping is a verb. The donkey is braying in the street. Braying is a verb. Page number 40. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Student, pronoun वो words होते हैं जिनको हम noun की जगह पर use करते हैं. Like अगर आयशा है, सना है, तो उसके लिए हम she लगाएंगे. अगर उमर है, आदिल है, उसकी जगह हम he लगाएंगे. यहाँ पर he और she प्रोनाउन है. प्रोनाउन वो वर्ड होते हैं जो कि नाउन की जगह पर यूज होते हैं. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Circle the pronoun that takes the place of the underlined part of the each sentences. Father and mother work. They work very hard. दो लोग हैं, mother and father. उनके लिए, दो लोगों के लिए they use करते हैं. So here they is a pronoun. So we circle the they. Number 2, Mr. Ali fixes cars. He fixes old cars. Mr. Ali एक आदमी है, इसके लिए हम he pronoun use करते हैं and we circle the he. Rida sells hats. She sells bags too. Rida is a girl, so she. Rida के लिए हम she इस्तेमाल करेंगे यहाँ पर. Number 4. The two girls walk to school together. They are friends. Two girls हैं, दो लड़कियां हैं, तो उनके लिए हम they use करेंगे. My sister makes dresses. She makes doll dresses. Sister बहन को कहते हैं, sister लड़की है, इसलिए हम she यहाँ पर pronoun use करेंगे और उसको underline करेंगे. Page number 41. Pronoun. Match nouns with the pronoun. Here you can see the noun and the other side you can see the pronoun. So we have to match the noun with accurate pronoun. Ali and I. We match we. Ali and I, we. Saqib, he. Aisha, she. Cat, it. Sadia and Sana, they. Write a pronoun that could replace the picture in each sentence. Student, here you can see the different pictures. So we use the pronoun for these pictures. First one is he loves to draw pictures. Here you can see the boy. So we use the pronoun he. He loves to draw pictures. Number 2, she is writing a story. Number 3, it hurt its leg. Number 4, they played cricket in the ground. Number 5, he took us to the zoo last weekend. Page number 43, Maze. Help this farmer in finding his boots. Students, here you can see the farmer on horse and the boot. And the farmer wants to reach the boot. So we search the way that how the farmer can find the boot. So we draw lines to reach the boot. Find noun from the maze. Farmer, boot and horse. Which pronoun can be used for the above nouns? He, it and it. फार्मर के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज होगा? ही. बूट और हॉर्स के लिए इट. राइट टू सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन written above. Farmer is working in the field. It is time to sleep. Workbook page number 44 using is and are. Is, use of is. He, she, it and a person, thing or animal. We use is for he, she and it and single person. And are, we use are for you, we, they. Use is or are to complete the sentences. A lamb dash a baby sheep. A lamb is a baby sheep. The pizza is in the pan. सिंगुलर पर्सन होगा तो उसके साथ is यूज होगा, और अगर एक से ज्यादा लोग होंगे या ज्यादा चीजें होंगी तो उसके लिए are यूज होगा. The eggs. अब यहाँ पर ज्यादा eggs हैं, अंडे हैं, तो हम is यूज नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पर हम are यूज करेंगे. The eggs are in the basket. The dog, here the dog is a single, so we write here is. The dog is barking at the cat. This apple, apple single है, so we write here is. This apple is sour. These apples, ज़्यादा सेब हैं. These apples are sour. My jersey is laying in the closet. Ali is reading book, but his sisters are playing. Sisters हैं, ज़्यादा sisters हैं, बहनें हैं, तो हम यहाँ पर are लगाएंगे. The girl is crying. They are going to the zoo. They ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए यूज होता है, so we write here are. They are going to the zoo. You are an artist. Workbook page number 45. Practices fill in the blanks with is and are. He is a police officer. We are reading. This is a lotus flower. Mona is at school. They are eating sandwich. There is a big dog in the garden. There is red roses in the park. The boys are jumping on the bed. She is 10 years old. The school bell is ringing. Write one sentences of your own using is and one using are. यहाँ पर हमें कोई से दो sentences लिखने हैं. एक में is यूज होना चाहिए और दूसरे में are. So the first one is she is reading. They are playing. Workbook page number 47 using are and an. We always write an before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels word, and we always write an before these words. We always write a before words beginning with other letters. G. A basket, a kite, an octopus. Octopus is start with O and O is a vowel word. So we write here an. Flower, a flower, a floor, an airplane, a book, an emo, a window, a house, an eye, an igloo. Workbook page number 48 using a and an write words that start with an in the given space. Student, here you can see the space. Here we have to write the words that start with vowels, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So an apple, an empire, an orange, an octopus, an eye, an igloo. Write words that start with A in the given space. A pen, a pencil, a book, a boy, a girl, a fan. Page number 65, my mother. Student, here you have to write about your mother. My mother name is. In the space, you have to write your own mother name. She likes to dash, eat fruits. She likes to eat fruits. Her favorite color is black. The best thing she cooks is biryani. Her favorite food is pizza. Her favorite activity to do is cooking. My mother likes to wear shalwar kameez. She is really good at household work. My mother always says truth. I love my mother because she is nice. Draw favorite food of your mother. Here I draw a plate of biryani. You can draw anything. Workbook page number 66. My brother or my sister. Student, here you can write the essay about my brother or my sister. Here I have write the essay about my sister. My sister name is Noor. She is tall and smart. She is an active student. She eats healthy food. She is 10 years old. She stands first in class. She is very friendly. She does her all works on time. She respects her elders. I love my sister. Comprehension number 2, page number 75, good habits. Student, this is a comprehension. So first of all, we have to read full page, and at the end we answer the following questions. So read it carefully. Good habits help us to keep fit and grow well. Good eating habits, यानी कि खाते वक्त हमें कौन सी अच्छी आदतें जो हैं वो अपनानी चाहिए. जी. Wash your hands properly before and after every meal. Eat slowly and chew the food properly. Drink water with right hand. Do not talk while eating. Do not leave food in your plate. Keep your mouth closed while chewing food. Do not overeat. Important good habits. Keep your classroom clean. Do not write on the walls. Close the water tap after use. Do not throw rubbish on the road. Switch off the lights and fans when you leave the room. Use your clean handkerchief while coughing or sneeze. Page number 76. Read the passage and circle the correct answer. Student, here you can see the 4 options. One option is right and the 3 are wrong. So we choose the right one. Number 1. Good habits keep us fit. Number 2. Eat slowly. Number 3. Do not leave food in your plate. Number 4. Do not throw rubbish on the road. Number 5. Writing on the wall is a bad habit. Answer the question. Do you waste your food? I hope no. So we write here no. Do you talk while taking your meal? जब आप खाना खा रहे होते हैं तो क्या आप बोलते हैं, बातें करते हैं? No. What should you do after eating your meal? Of course, wash our hands. खाना खाने के बाद हम अपने हाथों को wash करते हैं. Number 4. Write your 2 good habits. Don't eat junk food. Don't play on the road. Write your 2 bad habits. Make a noise in the class. Spit on the floor. Whom should we obey and respect? हमें किसकी respect करनी चाहिए और किसका कहना मानना चाहिए? We should obey and respect our elders.